Hey, are you in the mood for watching Poldark Season 5 on Netflix, but you cannot find Season 5? Maybe you cannot find the season at all. Well, I have good news to you. Poldark Season 5 is on Netflix. And to watch it, you need to use the VPN services of PureVPN. I've included a link in the movie description. Click that link to get a super discount, and after you click it, you will be taken to the PureVPN website. Here you can press to get this deal right now. It might not look exactly like this when you visit the website, but you go ahead, click, get a great deal. You get especially good deals if you sign up for a longer period of time, 1 year, 2 years. They have 31-day full refund policy. So if you don't like it, if you're not satisfied, just ask for your money back, and it's no danger at all in this. So, but here you have the site. You can sign up, and after you have signed up, you download the PureVPN client to your computer, to your iPhone, iPad, Android device, and log in. Here I have the application ready, and once you're here, you can see they have different kind of modes: streaming, internet freedom, security, privacy, and so I'm in the streaming mode. And here you can go to popular websites, and here you can see they can unblock all sorts of websites, including Netflix in France. So now I'm connecting to the Netflix France server, because in France, that is the country in which you can watch Poldark Season 5 on Netflix, and also the first 4 seasons, meaning you can watch Poldark Season 1 to 5 on Netflix. So now I'm connected. Automatically a new browser window will be opened up, visiting netflix.com. And now, as you can see here, I'm here at Netflix, and now I can do a quick search for Poldark. Let's take a look. And here we have Poldark. It says new episodes. Let's take a look what we can find here. Here you can also find Outlander, which might be interesting. This is the only Netflix region in which you can watch Outlander, the newest seasons. And here you have Poldark Season 1 to 5. So, are you ready to stream Poldark on Netflix Season 5? This is how you do it. So click the PureVPN link in the movie description and get ready to stream. If you have comments or questions, just write them down. I always try to answer quickly. And give the movie a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well for more interesting videos in the future.